talk to this man that said, if you are a man or a woman, I don't know. But you would have used your face, your real account, and come. A destroyer. Onye ntisa. Sorry for you. Do you think I'm those that when somebody do good for them, they will later forget?
Now who they carry commenter they go court? Yes, now commenter the one carry go court. No be grammar. Grammar gift. My people. No. Show Love TV. Our. She new enter YouTube. I will talk about her for this my YouTube channel. I tell people, please let's support her. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is our first time of coming across our YouTube channel, do it to subscribe to this beautiful family. Join this house, okay? Join, okay? Give me thumbs up. Drop your comments, beautiful comment, not hate comment. Yes, they carry grammar gift to court. No, not be grammar gift that they carry they go court. That commenters will trace some where we the commenters, we the reactor, we the social media presenter will, in fact, will trace that commenter. Will trace you, will carry you go court. My people, I was shortalized because 6, me, I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. This our auntie, our mommy, our sister, our, in fact, Show Love TV. If maybe the video, if YouTube has set her, I will now see her when I talk about her with grandma gift. I was shortalized when I see this our auntie. They talk, fair put and say grandma going court. Wait, so you know some people, some people will just sit down, my people. They will just a poke nose for where two people dey. If they never see, they will dey feel say na they sabi o, na they love those people pass o. If they never put quarrel for those two people center, they no rest. How you this commenter? Let me address you first. Yes, you this commenter, you go tell me now say you old pass Show Love TV. Commenter, you this commenter, you know yourself. One thing dey when you go make me, when you want to make me talk inside, I pray may Show Love TV watch this particular video. You this commenter, I don't want to mention your name, you know your name, carry your name go. You go tell me say you don't see life reach Show Love TV. You go tell me say you don't see life reach grandma gift. You go tell me, I dey ask you, those people, those two people, they be adults. You see how that woman, they make that woman, they say, grandma gift, I am your daughter. Grandma gift did not reach to be her mother, but she put herself to tell you how she did loyal to her. Yet, they feel be age mates together. They feel be age mates. But this woman took herself so, I don't want to pronounce her. Say, grandma gift, I am your daughter. You are my mother. You are my mommy on this street. Because she passed through a lot. She asked people to help her. No one show up. The person wey come help her now, you this commenter, you say you sabi over sabi. Over sabi o. Na me love the pass. Na me love editorial pass. Na me love grandma pass. Na me love KZ pass. Na me over sabi eye service. And for that reason, you don't buy the house. Commenter. You this commenter, no be your commenter no put money for your pocket, let me tell you. Now you are go fix. I for see say you buy grandma gift, you build house for her. Or every month, in fact, you dey pay her the salary when you, I know say you really love her. No be by drop your punk nose comments to scatter two adults. Two adults. If you really bring yourself, if not be say, I wish comment, as na the comment, YouTube put and say, well, they see you now. If for too good. Person go do video now, e go be like say na wey the reactor, we no hate anybody. Na our job. Somebody to help person. E no mean say because of B, he beat that person. Then if he help G, G must beat am. How could you just go these two adults? What of this woman now? You open him mouth with widow when she be. She don't get husband. She swear give you. How you go feel? The thing will come they reach you tomorrow. They'll say, hey. You hear this when you want to put something for a Gary. You don't watch her video. Go watch this old woman video. She don't train her children for university. Wait till she dey find now. She just like to be a YouTuber. She don't once mother don't train children finish. Not again. Oh. Mostly our Africa. Their children call look for what they assist them. She still dey work. She just love YouTube. Now you go grandma comment section. You comment and now you are they talk to You just go grandma kitchen, grandma gift. You say, now you know the what do you know? Tell us. What do you know? Mama know. What do you know? Tell us. I over know. You for tell them. Go tell her, say what do you know? Yeah. Go tell her for a comment section. Tell her say, show love TV. I know Paxi o. My people, before I dey para dey go, may I bring the comment when you over sabi say e sabi. You know say some people they no get head. Na breeze just dey blow them, they go like this.
But to my own understanding, I can see that YouTube is where you enter today and they will come for you. In fact, before I start this video, let me read this comment. I saw this comment in Grandma's video that I was watching. Immediately I click on and now go through her comment section, because sometimes I normally go to her comment section. If I see a good comment, I will just like and reply the person, because Grandma is my mother. She's my mentor. She's my teacher. In fact, I owe her a very big respect and whatever. I owe her everything apart from life. I owe her everything, to be sincere. So sometimes I normally go to her comment section and check some comments, I will reply. So when I was searching to know who and who to reply and tell them that she's my mother, now guys, do you know what I saw?
No.
Saw it and saw it with me now.
Okay.
I want to show you what I saw.
Yeah, show me.
Oyibo ya enye nsogbu na kwa ifuru oyibo ya ata afụfụ na vidio oyibo ka ebere ya na-emerụ m, because oyibo abụrụ obe nna m. Solum saw what I saw. So the person said, the person name is, according to the person,
that name I don't want. No, may not call her.
Careful who you are bringing to your home, and be careful of Show Love TV woman. What I'm seeing coming, you cannot see it. Be wise, man. What I'm seeing coming, you cannot see it. Be wise, man. Now let me address this. Let me talk to this.
What you are seeing? What? All those comments you now go, if that's real see them for real life, eh? Hey, some of them. What do you they see? A seer. I beg. No, now help me ask that person. What he or she they see? Whether now he or she, whether now bugger, I don't know. Hey, because the name is sad and one kind for you. What do you they see? I think it's here this old elderly woman now. He say he whole grandma things, he whole learn everything apart from life. I think we hear over Sabi commenters. I love some of none of who love the person. May we tell ourselves the truth. Some of us, the commenters, some of the commenters, we not really love that person, because if you love person when you feel say this person I love her, when she or he they do wrong, you correct and you tell her the truth. But because you say you love her, you know if you tell this person true, you dey lie. How wetin this woman do? Na bad thing to help person just because of say YouTube saga. Yes, if e still come, they still learn their lesson, then they enter house. Wetin be your own? Grandma gift, wetin I dey see? Wetin you dey see? Go do video, open your channel or do proper video, show your face. May we see you and grandma who reach to burn each other. May we see you this commenter. Mommy, Show Love TV, let me talk to you now, grandma. Wetin I want tell you. That person when you dey refer am to say na she. Don't be say you mention that person. Say the person first of all, if they use one channel take dey comment for you, they block am. No put her for anybody. Anybody when they close to you, when they around you, when you feel say na the person. It's far. This one they come from editorial love. This one they come from editorial people's side. Okay, people when they feel say they like editorial and they don't love it and they hate editorial parts. They come from there. No put hope. Say no put mind. Say now this person maybe when you I just talk my own. No, because you say you this person we because you use this name take come. I said block it. No ever think say now people around you or somebody when you feel say make she or he help you when you they look for help. No ever think like that. Oh, you know, you don't even know this person. This person is far away from those people when you they think of. This is the main purpose of me doing this video. Okay, anybody around you, when you don't say may they help you, they don't ever help you. Don't ever think say na them. Now one zuzuzuzu, one zuzuzu, one zizizi. If you now ask me, no na go ask that commenter, no na go dig that commenter. See, do normal. Oh, be very careful. Be very, very careful. Okay, if you come on this YouTube, come with pics. Stay your lane. They do your things. If na react, you want react normal. You understand? If you want comment with pics. Let people know you as a good person. As I dey here, now people know me. If you see me for road now, you will know me. We should be very careful. You know me say many people come on YouTube, they don't know they are left off from their right. They know they are left off from their right. How you go just hold your phone, you go dey comment for these two adults, and for love may I see that your face. And for love may I see you like as I did now, may I just see you like this. Then may I compare you with this lady. This woman don train 2 children, be 3 children for university. Wetin you dey talk? 2 elderly people. They show their self-love. You don't hear where she tell you say she first stay Abuja. She don't be woman when she weak. Show love. Now say she come put on Show Love TV for YouTube. I think you don't hear for her. We should learn how to respect anybody we come across. Not say because I will say you dey there, you be viewer, you dey support person, this person are your love. Then anybody when they close to that person, you don't get head, or she or he don't get life. They get life before YouTube. Okay, they get life before YouTube. Grammar gift. I know say you know be small pikin, you be learned person, and you don't still advance. Who get person like Editorial as a first daughter? That person don't be small pikin. You know what to do. You know how you take handle all those comments. No be me go tell you now. I meet you for the streets. You know everything. Those people that be, if I give them name now, may I leave grammar gift with Show Love TV. No, na the show na self-love. No, na not let all those commenter come between now. Show Love TV. Some people now, they will still fall in love with you. Maybe the day one I will still talk about, they'll say, don't mind Naija Daughter. Now, so there be, and you don't use this one until learn now. You, this commenter, before this lady, this our Show Love TV, do this title or thumbnail. She and now grandma for this street. If grandma you know approve her, she for not put her, because you hear when she say she's my mentor, she's my everything, she's my, I think you use your ear to hear. Before she say I'm taking grandma to court, they go don't laugh over and they go don't talk, they go don't play. You see, now you be this ball. See, used to do this ball like this. They play you over Sabi. People when they feel say they Sabi, now wait till they get better. My people, now this one I break. Show Love say she they carry grandma gift to court. She know they carry grandma gift to court. Now that comment how they go feel see and drag and carry and go court. Now she for carry go court. No be grandma gift to now just clean bait. Now no be only us. Who went enter YouTube today? The clean bait talk of we when we just reach a year for YouTube. You know can do clean bait. What do you call my clean bait now? Editorial reply that comment and say, I'm not saying you leave my yes now. Yeah. People, I'll meet you in my next video. Do you want to drop your own opinion? What did this commenter talk? It makes sense. It wants scatter to elderly people. 2 elderly people. Now she wants scatter. I'll meet you in my next video. Don't mind that comment.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.